Meaning of drinking box.
Drinking box.
Drinking box.
Drinking box.
Drinking box. Drinking box refers to a type of packaging used for storing and transporting beverages. It is typically made of cardboard or plastic and contains a sealed bag or pouch filled with liquid. The design of the drinking box allows for easy pouring and drinking through a small opening on the top. The term drinking box is often associated with popular children's drinks, such as juice boxes or milk cartons. Overall, the drinking box is a convenient and portable way to enjoy a variety of different beverages on the go.